Samsung revealed the new and upcoming Galaxy M33 5G recently. Now in terms of the design, this one is similar to the M32, but on the front we have this type of notch here, the rear we have this type of camera module, but yeah, the back finish looks really different. Also on the side we have this volume buttons and fingerprint sensor with this power button. Now the smartphone will be 9.4 mm thick and the weight will be 215 grams. Now let's talk about the display here. This one features the TFT display compared to this AMOLED of 32. So yeah, I don't know if this one is an upgrade. But okay guys, this one features TFT display and the size will be 6.6 inches with Full HD Plus of resolution, and the display will be protected by the Gorilla Glass. But yeah, I don't know what exactly is the reason behind this TFT LCD panel here. Also on the top of the display we have this V type of notch and the bottom bezel is also thick. Now in terms of the chipset, this one features the octa-core CPU and will be 2.4 GHz plus 2 GHz cores. Now according to the rumors, that chipset will be the Exynos 1200. Exynos 1200 is good enough for the smartphone, I would say. Now let's talk about the camera module. Now this camera module features the quad camera setup, and the main sensor here will be the 50 MP f1.8 sensor. We also have the ultra wide sensor of 5 MP of f2.2, and we also have the depth and macro sensors of 2 MP. Also the camera module looks really good here, and on the front we have this 8 MP selfie camera with the aperture of f2.2 inside this notch. Also in terms of the OS, it will run on the One UI 4.1 based on the Android 12, which is good. And in terms of the internal, it will feature 6 and 8 GB RAM options with 128 GB of internal storage. You can also expand the storage up to 1 TB with micro SD slot. Now in terms of the battery, this one features 6000 mAh of battery, which is really good, and the charging speed will be 25 watts. In terms of the other features, this one features Samsung Knox Security 2, and we also have the sensors like accelerometer, gyro and virtual proximity sensor. Now this smartphone will be available in 3 different colors, which are green, blue and brown. I would say color options are really good here. Now in terms of the launch date, Samsung already announced this smartphone and we can expect the release in the coming weeks, or we can say the end of March or start of April 2022. Now this one can be a good option for the people who want 5G connectivity, and also the price is not that much here. But yeah, why the TFT LCD panel? I don't understand. Now about the price here, it will be around $270 price, or we can say 19 to 20,000. So yeah, it can be a really good option for the people who want the basic smartphone with 5G connectivity. But in terms of the upgrades compared to the M32 5G, this one lacks so many things. That's my opinion. What do you guys think about this smartphone? Please comment down below. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. See you later in my next video.